Hello and welcome to TWIM. This is Mark Gray, and in this video I'm going to show you how to optimize your YouTube channel for SEO. Okay, so let's jump right to it. Alright, so very quickly as well, if you would rather read, then click the link below and you will go to my website. There is an article here, and this article is more than just how to optimize your actual channel. This is basically a detailed plan on everything that you need to do that I'm not going to talk about in this video, like having, having a description, like when to post, how to engage with your audience, playlists, all of that good stuff. So you can click the link below, scroll down, have a look. One thing I'd like you to do is to get this free tool. You can upgrade if you want, but for now you can just get it for free. It's called vidIQ. It gives you a lot of information that you would normally not get, that YouTube would give you, but this tool opens up like a whole new way of seeing other people's data that in the future will help you. Okay, anyway, how to optimize your YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, or one of my YouTube channels. You can see right away that it has a very, I think, attractive banner. Maybe, it could be lighter, but okay, that's my branding, okay? Branding is important. Then I have my avatar, which is a picture of myself. My faceless channels, I don't put my face there. I put maybe, I put like the first letter of the channel in red and then with a black background, whatever suits that channel. If you're in the, let's say golfing niche, you would maybe put like a little picture of a golf club, something that stands out, something that is your branding. All right. Now, as you scroll down my channel, you'll see there's a welcome video of me saying, welcome to my channel. This is what my channel's about, etc., etc. Okay. Then as you scroll down, you'll see that I have playlists and I have them laid out in a certain way. I have product reviews, popular videos, websites, WordPress and SEO, top products, how to make money online, how-to videos and reviews. Now, I could make more playlists and keep adding it, but I like it when people can scroll down and it looks kind of tidy, I would say. Now, I probably will add new playlists, but for now, this is, good enough. How do I do that? If you've just started a channel, it's going to be completely blank, all right? So before I go on and show you how to actually customize your channel, I do want to, excuse me while I change something here. I do want to just give you a couple of little tips, right? You can easily outsource this on Fiverr.com, okay? The branding, you can get the whole banner and the avatar done, no problem if you want. You just go to Fiverr, put in YouTube banner design, and then have a look and see, if you, who looks good. Now, nothing is ever $5 on Fiverr anymore, or very rarely. So you're probably going to be spending, $10 to $20, but you can do it yourself as well. I don't think you need a, because I paid for this, for the graphic designer to do it. I could have just done this myself, if I'm honest. I should have just done it myself. So you can go to a website called canva.com. And you would go and you would type in here YouTube banner. Okay, what I would recommend is you can look through all of these and maybe choose one. Remember that some of them will be pro, so you would need to upgrade to Canva. And if you just click, what I would do, click here, create a new banner. Okay, banner's up. Now, what you can do is you could literally just start adding colors, images, which is all on the side. Or if you are just looking, to do it quickly, let's choose one here. Okay, whatever this is. Okay, no, that's it. Sorry, that's one you have to pay for, but let's go for the first one. Okay, so you could very easily optimize this to be your banner. Very easy. So you would just get a picture of yourself or of somebody and put it there. So you can just delete. Now you could even move things over a little bit like this. Okay, that's not going to work because that's there. We could delete this whole thing, but you get the idea. You can just go in and you can customize this. Maybe you don't like this one, so we can have a look at this. This could be cool as well if it's a, anyway, you get the idea. I don't want to go on. I created one very quickly like this. I just found this template and put in name of a channel I have. This is not the banner, but I put the name of the channel and I just wrote a little description and it looks cool. Okay, and you don't have to stress too much about it. If you like it and it looks nice, then use it. Okay, anyway, that's if you're like a complete newbie, all right, and you're just starting your channel. So you'll then have your banner, you'll have your avatar. Now I'm not going to go into how you make thumbnails and all that sort of stuff, but let's go to customize channel. Now this is like the back end of where we can do things. So here you can choose a video, like a welcome video. You don't have to, but this video is a video for people who have not subscribed to your channel. The second video that you would put here, so you can change the video, remove the video. The second video is for people who have already subscribed to your channel. Okay, so you can choose which one. Some people just put their latest video there. That's fine. You don't have to even have a video there, but I like to have a welcome video, and I like to have like a video for people who've already subscribed. That's just me. And then here we have the playlist. So it's very easy to create playlists. We would just want to click here, add a section, and you would create a single playlist. Boom, done. Then you can add videos to it. Now remember that you can add videos to not just one playlist. You can add videos to 5 playlists if you want. No point in doing that, I would say, but sometimes I do add videos to 2 playlists because it fits both of those playlists. Now these playlists, you can just here, you can edit what's there, you can view you can remove the section, and you can move these up and down. So let's say I wanted to change what was the first playlist people see. I just drag it down here and change it with something else. All right. And when you make changes, click publish. Branding, I've just told you all about that. You would just click okay, I have one, so you would click, it would be upload. You would upload the banner that you just created, say it was like this, and suddenly boom, you have a banner for your channel. Then you'd upload your avatar. This little part here is you can easily get this picture if you want. It's usually the red subscribe square. You can easily go on to Google Images, find that, just snip it out and then put it. You can choose to have it at the end of the video or a custom start time or the entire video. I have it at the end of the video, okay? And it's my logo that I use. That's just me. Basic info, write the name of your channel, choose your handle, which is basically like this. This is my handle. So you can see the URL, youtube.com/@thewolfonlinemarketing. Then here, you only have 1,000 characters. So it's not like you can write a huge book or an essay here. And you just want to write, basically what your channel is about and some keywords and some tags. Simple as that. Feel free to pause the video and have a look at what I've written. Then here again, you have your channel URL, you have your custom URL. Then here, this is something that I think personally is very, very important. Now, this is me, I've been doing SEO for 12 years, 14 maybe, I can't remember, a long time. I used to do SEO when SEO was so easy, but now it's not so easy. So I think of these are all of my branded accounts, okay? My branded social media accounts and my website. And you can add them in here, okay? Now, what will happen is it used to be that those those would appear here. You could choose 5 and they would be here on your, right there on your banner on the bottom right. I think YouTube moved them away this year because it was too easy for people to click away, go to Facebook, or click away, go to a website, click away, go to wherever. YouTube want you to stay on YouTube, so obviously it makes sense for them to remove them. Also, it looks a little bit tidier as well. So why put them there now? Okay, a lot of people ask me this. Because they're like backlinks. So you have these Reddits, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever, TikTok, and they're all leading back to your YouTube channel, which are like very strong social media backlinks, okay? And if you have a website, even better. It's the YouTube channel and the website are powering each other. So yes, definitely add in them. You know, add in as many as you want, even though normally YouTube will only show 5. You can add in as many as you want. It's just like extra backlinks. So if I show you here where they are now, you'll know that. So you can see they still show 5 at the bottom of your description. All right, so we don't need to worry about that. You can have your contact info here. Always remember to click publish, like I said. Boom, suddenly that's your channel set out, layout's nice, branding's nice, basic info's there. It's all there. All right. Now, one thing, and this is a huge mistake that I see people make all the time, and people are always saying to me, Mark, why is my video not ranking? I did everything you told me. I mentioned the keyword in the video. I didn't make the video too long. I posted it to my social media accounts. And I take one look at their channel, and it's always usually the same thing. Okay. Now, this is not a criticism because my students are brand new, and we work one-on-one. So it's the channel tags and the video tags that always seem to stump people. I don't know why. Remember this. Tags are keywords, okay? Keywords are tags. They're the same thing, okay? And they are what people are searching for, all right? So channel tags, you add in one time, and I'll show you how to add them in, okay? Video tags, you add in every single time you make a video, which means that you have to do a bit of keyword research. So if you have a video on, let's say, how to safely clean a laptop, that's probably a really good keyword. People are probably searching for that. Because, yeah, I was thinking about that the other day, actually. I was thinking, I should probably Google that because I don't know if I should use a wet cloth, dry cloth, or a spray, whatever. So you could have that as your, the title of your video. And then you can search other similar keywords. I use a tool called Keywords Everywhere. I only put it on when I'm actually using it. So otherwise the credits go. But not to go on. So the channel tags or channel keywords, these are things that you don't need to worry about ever trying to rank for, okay? These are the name of your channel, okay? If your channel is like mine, if you can see that, if you want to pause this video, have a look. These are the tags that tell YouTube, this is what my channel is about. It's not about this or this or that or this or this. It's about this. That's it. There's no golfing in this channel. There's no swimming lessons in this channel. There's no MMA in this channel. This channel is about investing, finance, how to make money online, how to make money online with YouTube, how to make money online with WordPress. That's what this channel is about. Okay? That's the channel. Now, obviously, if you have a channel and you are doing pretty much anything else, you just think of as many powerful descriptive names as possible and you put them as your channel tags, all right? And you only need to do it once, and you can go in and change them anytime. But it's so important, and I've seen the difference literally overnight. When somebody does this, suddenly their video starts climbing up, so it's very important. Video tags, you have to do a bit of keyword research. Like I said, you have to find what are people searching for. You know, it's like there's no point in trying to rank for something like how to make money online. Okay, if you're just starting out, that's hard to rank for. But maybe you could rank for something like, you would need to do the keyword research for this and find out how many people are searching per month, and that's how that's how you would find your video tags, and you upload them when you add them when you're uploading the video. Okay, those two things are vitally important. So let me just show you, and just to go back to video tags, you need to learn a bit of keyword research. I'll make a video on keyword research because I think everybody needs to really know how to do it. If you go to the bottom of this post that I put together for you, you can click here. It's a great training. It explains keyword research and everything. And again, like, it's only $12, so it's a great investment. I reviewed it. I think, yeah, I reviewed it for this channel, and I had access to it, so I did learn a lot. So let's go to this. How do we add in your channel tags? So we go here, settings, and there's other things here we can click, but we don't need that just now. And we will click channel status and features. Then we will go to basic info. Okay, this is where you add, look, there you go, YouTube even call tags keywords. All right, so they're like interchangeable, I guess a word would be. So here, yeah, I have, like, I have what I have. You guys can see that. Oh, clicked away, sorry. You can see that. So I have like work from home, internet marketing, how to make money online, investing, finance, product reviews, make money online reviews. So it's telling YouTube, this is what my channel is about. Okay, that's it. It's not about anything else. So that's super important to do. I would add them in before even uploading a video. Okay, that's how important I think they are, or know they are. And you just click save. You can do some upload defaults, though that's up to you, and that's like kind of another whole topic. And the upload defaults is basically something like, you'd put in maybe this is my website, this is how to get this is this, or if depends what your channel is, you might want to always have the same links, or like a little description at the bottom. Maybe you want to put in an affiliate disclaimer, just to say, if you click a link below this video, there is a chance that I will get a small commission, something like that. Some people do that. I probably should do that, but I haven't, so maybe I'll think about doing that. And that, guys, is how you create a highly optimized YouTube channel that is as optimized as it can be. You have the backlinks going in from the social media profiles, which is all about your branding, which is another video. And that's your channel, completely optimized, looking good. Different thumbnails. You don't even need to go and pay for your channel art. You can go to Canva, get it done for free. And when you have it like this, this is perfectly optimized. I cannot think of any way to make this channel more optimized. It is completely optimized. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope it wasn't too long, and I'll see you in the next one. You take care.